Welcome to the Important Documents course. Let's start with Module 1, Birth Certificates. In the United States, a child is born about every 8 seconds. Before leaving the hospital, the parent is given a U.S. Standard Certificate of Live Birth, which is a form that is completed in order to receive an official birth certificate for the child. A birth certificate is the first legal document that most people obtain, and it is very important for accessing the rights that you have as an American citizen. Birth certificates consist of much more basic information in comparison to the form, such as the individual's name, place of birth, and date of birth. The document also has the name and seal of the issuer, as well as the signature of a state official. A birth certificate verifies a person's identity, age, and citizenship status. Prior to World War II, the majority of people didn't have their birth certificate because it wasn't necessary for most things at the time. However, after the war, more and more employers and schools began requiring proof of American citizenship, and about 43 million Americans were without their birth certificates. Because of their lack of proper documentation, these citizens were held back from work opportunities, which was extremely frustrating. Since then, having an official birth certificate has become crucial for living a regular life in America. Without this document, a person cannot obtain a social security number, driver's license, passport, or even enroll in school. Additionally, government, social security, and insurance benefits, as well as pension, cannot be claimed without a birth certificate. In situations where you need to present your birth certificate, it doesn't matter whether it is an original copy or not, but it is very important that it is a certified copy. In order for the document to be considered authorized and certified, it must have an official state registrar's seal that is raised, impressed, embossed, or multicolored, as well as the registrar's signature and the date that the certificate was filed. The alternative to a certified copy is an informational birth certificate copy. An informational copy is easier to obtain and usually used by individuals doing historical or genealogical research, such as family trees. However, this type of birth certificate is not adequate for proving a person's identity, age, or citizenship, and therefore can't be used in circumstances like enrolling in school, getting a passport, or getting your driver's license. When applying for a replacement document of your birth certificate, you will have to choose which kind of copy you need. It is very important that everyone has either their original birth certificate or a certified copy, so be sure to have this document on hand. Birth certificates are generally your first legal document when born in the United States. Remember that having an original or certified copy of your birth certificate is crucial for accessing your rights as a citizen. Your birth certificate must have an official state registrar's seal, signature, and the date that the certificate was filed to be considered certified.